Hey folks, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can format your GoPro. Now this is the GoPro Hero 12 Black, however the instructions I am giving you should work at least from the GoPro 8 onwards. Now in my opinion, formatting your SD card is an important step to take, especially when first setting up your GoPro, because it's important to make sure that the SD card is set in a way that is compatible with your camera. Formatting your SD card doesn't simply remove the video and image files that are on there, but it also ensures that the SD card is going to work with your GoPro as you would expect it to. But of course, as a bit of an obvious proviso, formatting the SD card will also remove all of your files, so make sure you have backed up anything you wish to keep before going into this process. Now, in order to format the card, all you need to do when the GoPro is turned on is swipe down in order to access the main menu and swipe across until you can select Preferences. On Preferences, you will be given a whole host of options. You want to scroll down all the way to the bottom to find the Reset option. Don't worry, we're not going to be resetting the whole camera. This is just how you access the format. And yep, from the Reset menu, you should see Format SD card. Simply select this option to be greeted with a warning, and that's all there is to it. It will take a minute or two in order to complete the process. You have now formatted your SD card and it is ready to start receiving photos and video files. So folks, I hope this quick tutorial has helped. Thank you for watching.